lecture, I explained you about what is the overview of the entire course. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about what is copywriting actually and what are its benefits. Let me ask you a question. What is copywriting and what is the great difference between writing an article and copywriting? Found your answer? It's okay, I'll explain this in detail now. Copywriting is totally a creative process and it can also be simply said as written marketing materials. The write-ups that are used for marketing is known as copy and the process is known as the copywriting. So by now you would have guessed what is the difference in copywriting. The only difference is that copywriting materials are specifically used for marketing purpose, whereas other writings are made for different purpose. There are also many uses and benefits in copywriting. So let's see them one by one. You know what? Copywriters are the highly paid writers. Copywriters helps to take the product to the targeted buyers. The developers have the knowledge about the product completely, but they will lag in marketing. So, copywriters play a vital role in marketing. Apart from ads, copywriting is also used to bring awareness among people. One such example is at the time of Second World War, government used copywritings to bring lot of people to army. Amazing, right? Copywriting is also used to bring awareness about voting among people. So, copywriting is not just an ad, but it also connects with people emotionally and it will convince them to buy the product. That is the magic essence that is required in copywriting content. Creativity, innovation plays a major role in copywriting. I hope you are now very clear about what is copywriting and about its benefits. So, tune yourself to be more creative when you start writing your copywriting content. So, let us move to the next lecture where I'll explain about how your copywriting content should be.